developers. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a virtual machine, so virtual device for testing. First, after you build your APK file, we're gonna open our Android Studio. So open our Android Studio, go to Virtual Device Manager. So on this version it's here, on some versions it's on the right side, so you must find Virtual Device Manager. This is our my virtual device. So let's create a new device, new test device. So it's gonna be for phone, but you can choose tablet, you can choose TV, automotive, so any device you want. So here is recommended Pixel 4, Pixel 5. So you have Nexus, you have some no-name devices. So I will choose Nexus or Nexus 5. So this Play Store, so it means it's recommended for texting apps for Google Play Store published. So let's choose this Pixel 4. Well, we can choose Pixel 5 also, but let's choose this and click next. Here you choose Android version, so Android 11, Android 10. So let's choose Android 12 device. This is our AP level, so, and this is our architecture. So let's create system must be selected to continue. So you see we're gonna choose this recommended Google Play Store. So here we can download our image. So this is our AP level, ABR target, so you can choose whatever you want to download. So I already downloaded this architecture x64, so this one on Android 12, that's for now recommended. So this is this test image. So I will just choose it here. So you will also need to download one of these images. So I just choose next, and so this is our name of our virtual device. So we're gonna Pixel 4 AP test. So this is our test device. This is our portrait or landscape orientation. So we're gonna choose it on portrait mode. This is our advanced settings. You can choose how many storage. You see I can choose how many gigabytes internal memory. I will choose 4 gigabytes SD card, and the internal memory also I can choose like 16. That will be okay, and click finish. Creating Android virtual device. So let's wait a few moments until our device manager creates our new virtual device. So it's here. So you see it's Pixel 4 for Google Play. It has both architectures and it has 4 gigabytes. So we gonna just run it, or we can also edit some information or some other things. So I will just run our new device. It's good because we don't need to transfer APK file to our phone. We don't need to plug the cable in or any other things. So this is our game that we work on some test game, Tetris game, blocks game. So we build our APK file. It's right on our desktop here. So we're gonna choose. This is our first startup, so it needs some time, but this is only first time. So we're gonna be just patient and wait until it starts. It's very great thing to do. So you can make any device that you want. You can add virtual memory, you can add CPU, you can add everything, so it will be your test device. It's also good for streaming if you stream some videos, so you can record it in this device, so you don't need to plug your real device by cable. So that's great thing for testing. I will close some background processes, so always close processes, so it will be faster. So it spends a lot of memory, but it will be faster. So you see it's now Pixel is starting. So this is our virtual device. It has Android, it has internet connection, it has memory card. It's like we bought new phone. So virtual SD card, so we're gonna just set it, use it like phone storage or external, so we're gonna use it as virtual SD card. It's just formatting, move content, no, we're gonna choose that later, and you see this is our new phone. So now you have two phones, right? You can sign in, so you can choose it like any other phone. Here you can also move your orientation here. You see it has volume, it has power button, it has options, back, it has location, so it's like real device. So how to test? So it's very simple how to install our game or our app. So we build with Unity, we build this APK file, so it's very simple, just drag and drop. You see, drag and drop, APK files will be installed automatically. You can move it, installing APK. So you can install all your test games before publishing and see if it will run. So I always use this to check. So let's see, it runs. You see it runs a little slower, but because it's spending some resources, my PC and my GPU resources, so it will take a little bit slower than the real actual device, but this is great for testing. So yeah, you see it's working. We can also play the game that we made. So this is our ads integration that we done, so it's also good for testing your ads. So you can also real slot, you can also install another game. You see we're gonna install another game. You see it has some manifest error. I know what it is, but I will fix it later. So this is all you need to know. Okay, this is some games for testing, so we can also install other games here. Here is home button, here is back button, and here is option button to use. So that's that. If you have any other questions, you can ask in comments below. I will answer you very soon. So it's really simple process. You need to just install Android Studio and go to Virtual Device Manager and add your make your device, and you have device for testing. So let's try another game. This one is crashing because it has some errors. So if it's crashing, I will do check and I will do some